Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01407 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I have logged in as a common user called C ## code which I already created. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to create one table called person files. Okay, so it contains two columns, name and age. So both are not null columns. Okay, so both are not null columns. Table is created successfully. Okay, now I am inserting some record to the person file table. Okay, I am committing that. Okay, so now person table contain one record. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am going to update this record. Okay, so update person file set age equal to null. Okay, so I am going to update the age column with null value. Let us see what is going to happen. Yes, so ORA-01407 cannot update to null. Error is thrown here. So what is the cause of this issue is when I try to update the record with the column contains not null, this error will be thrown. Okay, so when I try to update the not null column to null value, this ORA-01407 error will be thrown. So